Okay, so this Jamboard was made to assist with my lesson design project. So here I have a slide where students are supposed to watch the first 3 minutes of the video, and then they're supposed to go to the Jamboard and add their name and answer a question. So it's linked here. But anyways, we've got the Jamboard pulled up over here. Um, and basically, I've got a picture actually from the video here in the background just to make it look a little more aesthetically pleasing. And then I asked them specifically what's one thing from the video that either caught your attention or you'd like to know more about. And then I give them examples in case they're struggling with things to put on the Jamboard. So this can be a specific mural that you saw that caught your eye. It could be a painter, or just historical information that was interesting or you like to have expanded on. And then specifically write 2 to 3 sentences so I know you're actually trying to like really say something. So here we've got like 5 different responses by students, and yeah, I just think this is a really great way for people to see what their peers are interested in, but also for the teacher. If these were my actual students, I would definitely take the feedback into consideration and potentially include more about the person in the future of the lesson. So anyway, that's why I'm going to use Jamboard.